Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service reminder on a BMW using the YOUCANIC scanner. So we're going to start over from the home screen. What you're going to do is select maintenance and you go to oil reset down here and then select BMW and then do smart VIN. It's a 2017 BMW 7 Series G12 chassis. Press yes. On this screen, you want to go to special functions. You have two options: reset without tools, where it gives you instruction how to reset through the instrument cluster, but we're going to reset using the tool by selecting option 1. So it's going to communicate with the DME and the CBS data. This is CBS sends conditional base service, so it monitors a few things, including the engine oil level and condition, brakes, brake fluid, and so on. So here at the bottom you have numbers you select based on what you want to reset. So for engine oil you press 1 down here. Else this because the reset was recently done in less than 250 kilometers, so it's saying, are you sure you still want to reset it? We'll say yes anyway. Once the reset is complete, it should say engine oil 100% over here. Okay, and that's it. Now if you need to reset other things like brake pads and so on, you can do that, but we'll have another video for that. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.